Julie Phillips. You're looking at product 16.3. This is our nature-based teaching, a teacher's guide to the Earth's hydrosphere, bay and delta map illustration. It's a nice overview and illustration of a local watershed found in California, the California Bay and Delta watershed map, which includes both San Francisco and Monterey Bays. Now, why would you want something like this for your area? Well, it's a great model for you to use to adapt it to your own local watershed. So a critical part of water science is learning about watersheds, and this assists you and your students as you follow water flowing through your own community. Where are the headwaters for your watershed? How does it flow into the local valleys? What are those pathways? And so this Bay and Delta map illustration will really help your students take their local watershed and adapt it to that map. And again, provides an invaluable tool for studying water science in your local areas. So enjoy product 16.3.